Alright guys, let's go. I'm gonna show one armbar from when he tried to stand up. You call like a helicopter armbar, okay? He tried to standing, okay? I need to control the same side lapel and control his elbow or his sleeve, whatever you guys prefer. But it's important, as soon as he's standing, okay? I drop my weight down, okay? And I'm gonna put the opposite side. I have this arm, I need to put the opposite leg. My foot is exactly under his hips, okay? You guys can see like how I pull. I pull like my heel in and my toes out, okay? And that way, I'm gonna lift him, okay? After he's reach over my leg, okay? Right now, I'm gonna push his shoulder down and just push his head down, okay? And pass my other leg above his head, okay? And now I control double hands in the wrist and go for armbar, okay? For the other side, okay? Again, he posted up. So he have double fists on the floor. That time, all his weight above his head. Gonna be easy for me sweep him. I just keep my grip, okay? And drop my hips down. And put my foot under his hips. Okay, now I lift. So I lift him, I need to push his elbow and his collar down. Because his head come down. And the same time I open my other leg and pass over. Lift, and I'll push. And just pass the leg over his head. And stay in the arm and go for armbar.